viel Appetit.
What is this? What does this word mean? And how do you read it in German?
Habitat.
But we have
Is it
A,
appetite?
we have A. We don't have H. There's no H, so how are you going to pronounce this?
Habitat.
We don't have H.
Appetite.
Yeah, almost there. Just here is where you're making a mistake. EI. On EI is where you're making a mistake. So arbeitet. It's not habitat, because if you had I first and then E, it becomes B. This one I would have said yes, correct. It would have been habitat, but we have A.
Habitat.
AI by. By arbeitet. Okay, so now the answer.
The answer will be lemma viel Habitat.
But we're still missing one. We have to complete the here. We have to complete this. Okay. We have to complete this. You cannot leave this behind. Just like here, we have hoofed, do, Peter, Susan, Anne. Have you seen how it went? Here we go.
Okay.
Hoofed to Peter, Susan, Anne. We got everything that is here and we put it here. Same as here. I want you to get everything that you see here and construct a correct German sentence.
Lemma Habitat Selville.
So again, you repeated the same. It's not habitat, arbeitet. So the answer here can be here. Lehrmann arbeitet sehr viel. Or we can say Herr Lehrmann so viel arbeitet. Meaning, what does this mean? And
yes,
the meaning. Übersetzen bitte auf Englisch. Was bedeutet es? What does this mean? In English. In English?
Mr. who?
Your question again? What?
Mr. Leherman works hard.
Who's actually answering? So I'm going to penalize Evelyn. Yeah. So I'll penalize Evelyn.
Mic off, please.
Yeah. Penalize Evelyn. Please,
Sorry?
What does it mean? I saw you are speaking, so.
Mr. Lehman works hard.
Not quite. No. So this simply means Mr. Herman works very much or works a lot. Okay. Sehr viel. Very. This is very. Viel. A lot. Okay. This is like a lot. Okay. So again, since evening, you don't go away. The next one, please.
Ich frühstücke Ein A
Nee.
Obst.
Again, wieder bitte.
Ich
Was ist dieses Wort?
frühstücke ein Ei und Obst.
Diese Wort, bitte.
Frühstücke.
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 Ich frühstücke. Was?
Frühstücke.
Continue.
Frühstücke ein Ei und
Ein Ei und Obst. Was bietet es? Was bietet Satz? What does the sentence mean?
I had an egg and I don't know what obst means for breakfast.
What is this?
I don't know what that means.
Fruit. So
Okay.
I had an egg and fruits for breakfast. An egg and fruits for breakfast. Edwina, you had a question quickly. What was your question? I've been forgotten.
Yes, I'm not understanding what we are doing. I want to know, we are rewriting the sentences, or like how? Are we using verb? Are we using adjectives? Or
You
are
are
we
answering a
using
homework that was
pronouns
given
or
to you
something?
yesterday.
Sorry?
Yesterday you had a homework and you're answering right now. So my job is just to listen to you guys.
I'm sorry, but I'm not just understanding the assignment. That's what I'm asking.
Sorry?
You just said we should rewrite the sentences.
If you have time right now, you can translate what this means for you. Okay, and you look at the example I've just given right now, and you can follow that most of the students are trying to put this sentence together. It's broken, it's not the correct sentence.
Okay.
It's jumbled. We need to put this question or this sentence in its correct format, which has been done for us here. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, so Doreen Peter, you have a question? Guten Abend.
Good Abend.
Was ist deine Frage?
Oh, actually, it's not a question, but it's a clarification, I think, for bear, not bear, say. Frühstück, or whatever. Frühstücke, yeah, with an umlaut.
Yeah.
So, früh, for my understanding, maybe from the word früh, is early,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So why is it breakfast again? You said breakfast?
Yes. Altogether, it's simply just word having breakfast.
Or like early breakfast?
Yeah, like breakfast, like, yes, in short, a meal that you have early in the morning. Before you go to work, you have something to eat, so it's called breakfast. Okay.
So it's
Sorry?
Can you help me read the
which one?
The whole parts.
These or the what?
The whole line. Say.
Which is ein Ei und Obst, ich frühstücke. Also, wenn wir haben eine Antwort, wir sagen zum Beispiel, ich schreibe hier, ich bitte hier, das, okay, das for, yeah. So I will say.
So the verb there is obst or frühstück.
Having breakfast is a verb because you're doing it. So Zum Beispiel, I'm not going to use the actual, I'll just change to umlaut so that you don't have any problems. Okay, so there we go.
Thank you.
Ich frühst du? There we go. Our answer has been made. Ich für ein Ei Obst. Okay. Now, Doreen, you can answer for us since you're here.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yes.
For D.
Yes, Peter.
Do cost the verb comes for the second, then does it will remain the same. Does haben essen. I think so. Do
No.
cost das haben essen.
No. It's a question. You have a question. You have the question mark here. Okay. Brenda, Moria, maybe quickly. You have a question, and please answer if you have a question, and then you have the answer for you.
No, it's not. I wanted to answer.
Okay, so
can we
answer.
say Dandesen?
Not really. In other terms, it's correct, but what we're doing in sentences like we're making right now, no. But if you're saying it normally, I can say yes. But in this phrase, no, it's wrong. Someone else to try. Mary Jockey, quickly. Everybody has to try. I'm giving everybody a chance.
But I thought,
Sorry?
Fred.
Yeah.
I thought subjects come first, then conjugate the conjugation of the verb. Then
well, if it's a question, remember a question, we're talking about something we do.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when it's a question, I explained last time how to conjugate it. The way you conjugated it is like you're answering. You're not questioning the person. You're answering for the person. That's how you did it.
Can I give it my trial?
Yes, Peter?
Yeah, this Mary.
Okay.
I think it would be Cox do das Abendessen.
Genau. Now this is a question. Kochst du das Abendessen? You cook now. Cooking the dinner. Okay, that is a question. But if you say, du kochst das Abendessen, it's like you are cooking the Abendessen. It's not a question. Okay?
Can I try?
This one is correct. D is correct. We have, who was speaking? I had somebody speaking just now.
Excuse me, Fred.
Yes, Peter?
You mean D, the way it is correct?
No. She
No, I
answered. Can you repeat the answer again so that they can hear you? Mary? The answer? I'll write it here. What the answer you say?
Yes, I was saying I gave an answer.
Just repeat it. Repeat the answer you said.
I said kochst du das Abendessen?
Kochst du. Kochst du. You're cooking. Okay? It's a question. You're cooking. Kochst du. When you
Okay,
say
kochst
kochst,
du
when you
das
say du
Abendessen?
kochst,
Yeah.
if you say du
Yes.
kochst,
Yeah.
you are cooking.
Oh.
Okay? Du kochst das Abendessen. Cook the dinner, please. When I say kochst du kochst das Abendessen, you are cooking the dinner. You are cooking the dinner no matter what. It's you who's doing it. But if it's a question, du kochst, are you cooking? There's a question mark. Always remember, look at these phrases. When you say a question mark, it's a question. Okay? Kochst du das? And then we'll have what? Abendessen, which is with our question mark here. Okay? Are we clear? Every time you say a question mark, always remember, we'll start with the verb first, and then the pronoun follows, because it's a question. But if it's not a question, it's something that somebody has to do, or a command, we're going to say, do, you are. Okay? You are doing it, or do it. It's a command. Okay? I hope that was clear. Doreen, you have a question? You have a question, Doreen? Okay, no question. Well, next person. Okay, next person we have here Edwin. No. Faith Nelima.
Meine Kinder sehen Fernweh.
I want you to read the question and then you construct it.
Sehen Fernweh, meine Kinder. Meine Kinder sehen Fernweh.
No, yeah, almost correct, but that was good. One more try. Then the next person can try. Vivian can try.
Meine Kinder
Yeah.
sehen Fernweh.
No. Vivian, you can try quickly.
Meine Kinder, wir sehen Fern.
9. In other ways, it's correct, but putting the sentence correctly, no. But that was close. You guys with the hands up, Brenda Moria, you have a question or you want to answer?
I want to answer.
Peter?
My Kinder fancy.
9. Now this one is a split of a verb. Doreen, you can try. Okay, Doreen is not responding. Judith, Peter? Give it a try.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Meine Kinder Fernsehen viel.
No. Judith, watching.
Meine Kinder sehen viel Fern.
Now, meine Kinder sehen viel Fern. Okay, from fans, viel Fern. Okay, that was actually good. Remember, guys, again, look for a splittable verb. Okay, so meaning my children watch too much TV or watch a lot of TV. Okay, so meine Kinder sehen viel Fern. Okay. There we go. Meine Kinder sehen viel Fun. Okay. My children watch a lot of TV. Okay. The last question, let me pick random a guide. Isaac Mungeni. F. Okay, too long. It's taking too long. Frederick, Peter, you can come through. Frederick or Cherry?
Yeah, bitte.
Yeah, I can give us the answer for F.
Steht hier früh auf.
Steht hier früh auf. Genau. So, meaning, was bedeutet die Sätze?
Es bedeutet, can you wake up early? Something like that.
No, we don't have can. Try again. Your answer was phenomenal. Just need a translation for it.
You wake up early?
You wake up early or they wake up early? They wake up early or you wake up early. In other terms, it can be you. In other parts of Germany, they use this for you. Again, in normal terms, again means they. Okay, they wake up early. That's a question. Okay, danke. So for those again who did not get what he said, he asked test. Ja, test ja früh auf. Okay. Steht ihr früh auf? Do you wake up early? You wake up early? Or they wake up early? Okay. Yes, Edwina, you have a question?
The verb stand at the end. When you are conjugating the verb, you use do or you use er. You can saying they, then it means that you don't use this verb, you don't use stand, you use him. But you are saying you either say they wake up early. So I'm like confused because if you are using they, then this can be stand.
Okay.
Thinking.
Like I said, even last time, if you remember in the first lesson, I mentioned that ear in other parts of German means you. Okay. In normal terms, ear again means they. Okay. And then we have for plural and for respect, we use sie. I think I remember perfectly. I explained this part. If you have sie, sie can be for feminine, also for plural. Okay. Just like here, we have sie, and it's coming here, the full sentence. Schreiben sie, meaning respecting you, right? Okay. Or meaning all of you, that meaning everybody here, write a sentence. It can mean one person and it can mean the whole lot of you. This is what they use this because they're respecting everyone in this class because they don't know you. Okay. But this one, they, is also used here. Okay. They, here is used for they in most cases, for you in other cases. And these other cases, when I'm going to use this one, will come again when we're changing cases. Like I said last time, in German, you have 4 cases. We have the nominative, accusative, dative, and genitive. Okay, so out of all those cases, again, we use these changes in a certain level. These again can be feminine, can be used as she or has, her mom, ihr Mutter becomes her mom. German is crazy. Most of these things are saying can be changed in other words, in other forms, and can mean something else. Not to confuse you, right now you have to get used to the format that we're using. The more you get experience, the more you start understanding. If I explain everything right now, you will get lost and get confused. So for now, stick to this, and in the near future, you'll understand what I was meaning. Okay.
So in translating this sentence to English, will you use you or will you use they?
You can use it if it describes what you're talking about. It can still be used. That's why it's called a pronoun. Okay, it can be used also. It's not supposed to be isolated. Okay. Yes. Now, like I said, if we continue with questions, you've seen how hectic it is. If everybody had done the homework, like Mr. Lokoman was telling me, it would have been much faster. But look at us, we just spent 30 minutes on one session. But if we did the homework, we would have covered the whole lot of these things. So I hope on the weekends, please finish up the whole homework, and then next time we can discuss all this. Okay, so right now I'll go back to the book, the new topic. Okay, go back to the topic. Okay, so instead of me changing, what I'll be doing is I'll be writing from here. New topic. Our new topic is called Freizeit. Freizeit. So Freizeit simply means free time. Okay. So Freizeit simply means free time. That's the new topic. Okay. Now, sorry. We continue with FREIZEIT, der Käsemann. Was bedeutet der Käsemann? Der Käsemann simply means the cheese man. Der Käsemann, the cheese man. Okay. I hope people are writing, and I hope you know how to spell cheese. I don't know if I have to write this, so just for the sake of doing this. Okay. The cheese man. That's what this topic means as FREIZEIT and Fangen. As we start, we have the cheese man, and we don't know who the cheese man is, mind you. I also don't know, so we'll continue and we'll catch up to know who the cheese man is. Now, I'll delete this and los geht's. Also, erste, wir haben hier Fotos. Foto 1, we see people in das Auto. In das Auto, this doesn't look like food. Looks like a harmonica and playing on a phone, or I don't know. And so weiter, driving here. Okay, so here they stop and she's on phone. We got bags. So basically, it looks like they're going for hiking, picnic. I don't know. It looks like on a mountain. Okay. Secondly, yeah, so they're having a picnic here. Okay, with some food here that looks like sausages and juice, Saft and Brot and so weiter. Okay, and then there's this guy Tim with his motorbike and next to a car. I don't know what this is. We'll discover soon. Okay, so we'll discover together. Sehen Sie die Fotos an. Wer macht das? Wer macht was? Entschuldigung. Wer macht was? Zeigen Sie und sprechen Sie. Okay. Who does what? Zeigen Sie und sprechen Sie. Show and say it or speak. Einen Ausflug machen. Ausflug. Was bedeutet Ausflug? Ich schreibe es ja hier schnell. So, Ausflug. Ausflug bedeutet, remember, we're talking about Ausflug. Put this in small letters. So give some light. Okay, Ausflug. Well, I think I forgot my English. I hope I'm correct. If I'm not, please spell well excursion. My English is getting bad. I hope that's the correct word to spell excursion. I know I feel like it's wrong somehow. Is it correct? Somebody say it. I have a feeling my spelling for excursion is wrong. Anyone?
It's an S, I think, instead of a T.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Something is wrong. Excursion. Don't worry, you guys will join me when you start writing everything in German. Excursion. Okay, that's what means Ausflug. Okay, and then the next we have here a new word. We have wandern. So wandern, hiking. Okay, wandern, hiking. Next, was haben wir hier? Autofahren. Autofahren. Haben wir hier. Genau. Driving a car. Okay. Go. Put it somewhere here. So driving a car in, was haben wir hier? Nochmal. Okay, these are things you know. Okay. Nachrichten. I think for those who don't know, was Nachrichten meinst oder bedeutet. Das bedeutet, okay, Nachrichten schreiben, writing a message, okay? And so far, these are, I think, the words that are a little bit complicated, or should I say complex, okay? Now, einen Ausflug machen, making an excursion, or having an excursion, okay? Autofahren, driving a car. Wandern, so we have van, we have er becomes an, so wandern. Wandern, hiking. Nachrichten schreiben, writing a message. Ein Picknick machen. This is a picnic. So of English, the same thing. In English, you have the same word, picnic. German, picnic. We are having a picnic or making a picnic. Here it's more common in summer. So picnic, picnic. Okay. And this is why I did not write this. It was same as in English. And okay. just pursue the book and study. I hope you have a great evening. I'm sorry for the electricity. Choose. That's Vivian. She'll be leaving us now. Okay, so we continue with classes. We have here Gitarre or Gitarre und Mundharmonika spielen. So Gitarre und Mundharmonika spielen. A guitar and mouth. I think I should have included this. So let me do this. Mund. Just that simply means mouth, okay? Mouth. And harmonica, you know what an harmonica is? An instrument for music. Telefonieren, to call, to make a call, okay? So let's get back to, okay, I hope this is okay. Let's get back to actual picture. So this is the Mundharmonika, okay, right there. And then she's driving, okay. Autofahren, driving a car. There we go. Next, we have number 5, picnic. There's a picnic going on here, okay. And writing a message, of course, was happening here. As you can see, she's writing a message, okay. It's done. There we go. And it also looks like here too, she's still writing a message here too. And I think for now that's alles. Now, Lara, Lili, Sophia und Walter machen einen Ausflug. Lara, Sophia and Walter make an excursion. They make an excursion, okay? We have 6 photos here. Photo 6, Jim telefoniert. So number 6 is da, I think. There we go. So it's making a call on number 6. All right. Okay. Now, B. Was haben wir an B? Wie ist das Wetter? Kreuzen Sie an. So kreuzen, of course. Cross, put an X. Okay. Kreuzen Sie an. Ankreuzen. So, was ist das Wetter? Also, tut mir leid. Wie ist das Wetter? We say, how is the weather? Okay. Die Sonne scheint. Let me get rid of this. Okay. And los geht's. Die Sonne scheint. The sun shines. Okay. Die Sonne, sun, scheint to shine. Okay. Es regnet. It's raining. Es regnet. Or es regnet. It's raining. Es gibt viele Wolken. Es gibt viele Wolken. Wolken, was los? Sorry, I'm getting back. Es gibt viele Wolken. Das ist aus. Wolken, clouds. Okay? Clouds. Meaning we have a lot of clouds, or it gives a lot of clouds in the sky. Okay? Or you can say that is a lot of clouds, or there is a lot of clouds in the sky, or it's a lot of clouds in the sky, and so weiter. Density Photos an und hören Sie, was ist der Dose? Was ist in der Dose? Okay. Quickly, I'll just do this schnell. So, Sonne scheint. Okay. Next. Es regnet. It's raining. Next. Es gibt a lot of clouds, or it gives a lot of clouds. It's a lot of clouds, or it gives a lot of clouds. Okay, or in short, we can just say it's a lot of clouds. Okay, so you can use it's a lot of clouds, or it gives a lot of clouds, or but I'll just put it's a lot of clouds. Whichever you feel like is best for your answer. Okay. Okay. Okay, I hope you've written this. I want to delete it. But first, let me write. Was in der Dose? Okay. Was in der Dose? The Dose simply means I always forget. Is this kann oder okay? Zum Beispiel kind of I don't know, beans or a can of fish. I hope I'm correct. How do you spell a can? I don't know if it's with a K or with a C.
It's okay like that.
With
Yeah?
a C.
C.
Okay. So it can be a can of tomatoes, a can of beans, a can of fish, and so like that. Okay. So those simply means can. Okay. Can of something or a small box. Okay. Now I'll get rid of this. Okay, please. Aus. Und sehen Sie die Fotos und hören Sie, was ist in der Dose? Was ist in der Dose? What is inside the can? Okay, so I have here 6 mal 6. Okay, die Dose here, a can or a small box. Okay, und 4 Heikin, she's writing a text as usual, and she forgets the Dose here. 7, das Team kommt mit Dose. Also, that's where we can say, dieser Mann hier heißt der Käsemann. Yeah? So the Käsemann is here. Okay. We have found the Cheeseman. Okay. Der Käsemann. Hier Harmonika spielen und so weiter. Los geht's. Was ist richtig? Okay? Was ist richtig oder wichtig? Richtig, richtig, alle geht's. Hören Sie noch einmal und horchen Sie an. Was Wetter, das Wetter ist Zum Beispiel hier Antwort gegeben. Das Wetter ist nicht so gut. Sehr schön. We all know what this means. Alle hier wissen, was bedeutet dieser Wort. Ja? We all know what these words mean. Sehr schön, very beautiful, very good, nicht so good, meaning bad or not good. Okay? Now, not translate that. We have talked about this in the previous topics. Yeah, you have a question? Doris, you have a question? Your microphone is on. Okay, I've muted it, no problem. Okay. Next, Per, Family Baumann und Lara machen einen Ausflug. Einen Ausflug. So, again, family, meaning family, Baumann family of English. If you're saying it in English, you say Baumann family. Also Family Baumann und Lara. So, family, Baumann family and Lara make an excursion. Sie gehen los. Aber Sophia vergisst die Dose, nicht Gitarre. Die Dose, if you remember, it was on the car. So, sie gehen los. They get off, okay? They get off, but Sophia forgets the can or the box, okay? Lily had, I think, Hunger, was Durst. Zum Beispiel, noch warte hier, nee, okay, schnell, bitte hier. Durst. Durst bedeutet Durst. Okay? Durst bedeutet Durst auf Deutsch. I mean auf Englisch, Durst, auf Deutsch, Durst. Okay? Durst, Durst. Lili möchte, also Verben, die Verb möchte bedeutet to want auf Englisch. Kenne Würstchen keinen Käse essen. So, wir können sehen die Fotos wieder an. Ich mache es schnell aus. Los geht's. Wo ist die Fotos? Ja, genau. Haben wir hier Würstchen und Lili hier ist nicht so Glück über die Würstchen. So she's not so happy about the Würstchen. Okay, so hier Lili hat keinen Glück für die Würstchen. Okay, so was willst Lili? Was will oder was? Yeah, what does Lily want? Okay. Here on question, we have something like what Lily wants. Okay. We have Würstchen. So the correct answer here haben keine. Lily möchte keine Würstchen essen. She does not want the sausages. She cannot eat. She doesn't want to eat the sausages. Okay. Looks like she wants to eat the cheese. So Lily hat wieder. We're putting here the answers. Okay. Lily hat Hunger, also nicht Durst. Okay. Durst is when you're thirsty. Lara dash ein Nachrichten an Team. I think here, yeah, because Tim calls Lara. So basically, on our sentence here, okay, on our sentence here, we have the correct answer as Lara schreibt eine Nachricht an Tim. So Lara writes a message to Tim. An becomes to. Okay. To. An becomes to. Okay. Tim bringt die Hand. We have Mundharmonika. Nein. Dose. The can. He brings the can, which is of course right here. Okay. Next. Alle finden. Everyone finds. Es ist so, das ist interessant hier. Okay. They find it so interesting here. Oder schön. I say schön. Everybody finds it beautiful here. Not interesting. Because interesting is when there's something happening. That's when we say you can find it interesting. What's happening here? Okay, so we delete this. And mind you, this topic was already for those you can still find it on YouTube recorded again. So for those who miss out classes, and also if maybe your classmates can record and share with you the recording, or Mr. Mike can do that. I have no idea. Now I continue here. Number 4, wandern Sie gern. The word wandern again. Whose mic is unmuted? All right. So wandern Sie gern. Again, the word wandern, hiking. Okay. Sie gern. Again, you like hiking. Do you like hiking? Okay. Do you like hiking? Machen Sie gern Picknick? Do you like picnics? Do you like making picnics? Machen Sie gern Musik? Do you like making music? Okay. Erzählen Sie, explain. Ich wandere, from wandern. Ich wandere sehr gern. I like hiking sehr a lot. Okay. I like hiking a lot. Wandern finde ich gut oder interessant. You can say, wandern finde ich gut oder wandern finde ich interessant. Okay? Those are ways of answering such questions. Now, we have heute zum Beispiel, das Wetter ist nicht so schön. Das Wetter ist nicht so schön.
Can you repeat, please? That I think I lost somewhere.
On wandern?
Sure.
Wo, Anfang oder was? Ich kann fangen an. I can start again here. Where exactly do you need me to be back?
Yeah, just start. Number 4.
Okay. Wandern. Ich habe gesagt, ich habe geschrieben. Okay. Wandern bedeutet hiken. Genau. Also, wandern Sie gern. Bedeutet auf Englisch. Nein. Okay, there we have it. Do you like hiking? Wandern Sie gern. Okay. Do you like hiking? With a question mark. Next. Machen Sie gern. Was haben wir hier? Picknick. Und haben wir. Next.
Making picnics.
Or having. Do you like making picnics? Big picnics or having picnics? Okay.
Okay, making picnics.
Mm-hmm.
That English though.
Well, I'm trying to just make people understand it and simplify them. Okay. I can say, do you like having picnics? Do you like making picnics?
Having or going picnics.
No, it's different. If you say going,
Okay.
the verb conjugation will be different. Because I've said gehen.
All right.
Gehen Sie gern picnics, meaning, do you like going for picnics? Okay.
Yeah.
So gehen, machen is to make or to do something. Okay. Don't
Yes.
forget. Machen simply means to make or do something. This is why we
All
ask Marx to gain. What do you do often? Then ich mache, I do this. And then if I'm making a cake or I'm making something, I say ich mache es. I'm making this, I'm making that, or I'm doing this, I'm doing that. So always remember we use those terms for machen. Okay, this is what I was saying, making or having a picnic. No, going, what did I say again? Now I'm lost. My mind is going somewhere else because I have to translate this.
Yeah,
I
you
said,
haven't finished.
sorry? Do you like, exactly. So I said, do you like making picnics or do you like having picnics?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
But basically, I would go for, do you like making picnics?
All right.
Because you are the one who's a mastermind, and let's say you want to invite your friends, do you do it often? Because you can't just go to a picnic without inviting others. So you need, do you do it often? Like, are you the mastermind of those events? That's why I said I went for, do you like making picnics? Okay, because you're the mastermind. It still makes sense in the English grammar actually. And machen Sie gern Musik. My mind was actually translating this one. Again, change my German. Okay. Reason being again why we're having, do you like making music? Do you like making picnics? Because it's something that is organized by somebody. So just like we saw in the photos, we have Walter Bowman is making music there. He has a guitar and Mund harmonica, meaning a mouth harmonica, and he's playing music just there while they're having the picnic. So he's making music, okay? He's not listening to music, he's actually doing it, okay? So I think that's the reason why we're having Machen hier, so viele Machen. Okay, ich hoffe, alle hier geschrieben haben. I hope everybody has written.
Yeah, danke.
Okay, so I delete alle und gehen wir weiter. Also, hier, wir haben Fragen, okay, die Fragen oder die Antwort. Ich wandere, zum Beispiel, die Antwort kommt hier. So, gib mir hier, bitte. this question has been answered with this one. Okay. Ich wandere sehr gern. I hike. Bla bla bla. Und here again, the feeling of hiking has been expressed. Okay. The feeling of hiking has been expressed. When you're expressing something, then you say hiking. I find it good, interesting. I find it fun. I find it, I find it very beautiful for me, or I don't know. You can say beautiful, great, schön, wonderful, und so weiter. So you have something like that. Okay? Or wandern. So, bitte nicht vergessen, was bedeutet wandern. Wandern auf Deutsch, auf Englisch bedeutet hiking. Also ich weiß, wir können in der nächsten Stunde vergessen über diese Wort. I know we can forget about this word in the next hour, so try to write it somewhere. When we start FREIZEIT, it's what you do on a daily basis, what you like doing on your free time. Und vergesse nicht, when you are writing, zum Beispiel, wir sagen, was haben wir? Sich vorstellen. Also sich vorstellen, man kann sagen über die Hobbys. Was sind deine Hobbys? Also deine Hobbys hast du oder haben sie sehr viele und du kannst auch schreiben, wandern oder Picknick machen oder Musik machen, Musik hören, schwimmen und so weiter. Also in der nächsten Folge, wir haben ein bisschen über die Hobbys. Wie viele Hobbys haben wir? Okay, so in short, we're going to talk about the hobbies, and I'll try to be speaking more German so that you guys also and try to start understanding on my part, because I've been speaking too much English, also nicht so gut für Ihren. Okay, so bitte, ich hoffe, alle Leute hier sind bereit. I hope everybody's ready, that we use more of German than English. So, tut mir leid, wenn ich spreche kein Englisch manchmal. Okay? So, das Wetter ist nicht so schön. Ja, zum Beispiel, und Übersetzung auf Englisch, was sagen wir hier? Wir sagen, the weather is not beautiful. Also das auf Englisch. Und auf Deutsch, das Wetter ist nicht so schön. Das Wetter ist nicht so schön. Also ich kann langsamer sprechen, nur ein bisschen, ja. Zum Beispiel, ich möchte alle Studenten hier, alle Studenten, hören mich zu, was sage ich. Und hoffe, alles gut jetzt und alle hier verstanden, alles klar. Wenn alles nicht klar, bitte sagen. Okay? Ich kann ein bisschen langsamer sprechen und nochmal sagen, was habe ich gesagt. Bitte, hören Sie zu. Wir haben hier Zettel. Okay? Zettel, Not oder ich sage Foto. So, Fotos haben A. Das bedeutet hier Schnee. Okay? Und B, wir haben also Hochtemperatur. Okay? Und windig, regnet, Wolken, Sonnen, also kalt. Okay, also was haben wir hier? Es regnet. Es regnet, haben wir D. Okay? D, wir haben es regnet. Ich schreibe hier D. Was habe ich hier nächste? Es sind 25 Grad. Es gibt warm. Hier haben 25 Grad. Es gibt warm. Das bedeutet B. Okay? Es gibt. Tut mir leid. Es gibt. Ich habe gesagt auf Englisch, it gives. Or it is. Also, hier, wir haben sehen, es sind, they are about 25 Grad. Es ist warm. It is warm. Okay? Und die Sonne scheint. Wo haben wir die Sonne scheint? Okay, an F. Okay? F ist die richtige Antwort. Haben wir die Sonne hier. Okay? Die Sonne scheint. Übersetzung auf Englisch. The sun shines. Genau. Also, es ist windig. Wo können wir finden, es ist windig? Sehen Sie die Fotos an und hier. Stimmt. Haben wir gefunden. So. So, es ist windig. Das ist die richtige Antwort. Okay? Und hier, was haben wir? Es sind nur 7 Grad. Es ist kalt. Kalt bedeutet auf Englisch cold. Wenn das Wetter ist nicht so schön, also hast du viele Kleidung, die Hose, okay, hast du den Schal, okay, Kopfschuhe und so weiter, okay. Also die Jacke auch, die Jacke ist sehr warm, wenn wir haben die Grad ist 7. 7 hier ist sehr kalt. Also ich weiß auf Russland sehr, sehr kalt als in Deutschland. Deutschland ist ein bisschen kalt. In Russland, genauso sehr kalt. Und in Russland, wir haben Grad minus 25 und weiter. Also, hier wir haben immer Antwort, es scheint. Es scheint, haben wir A. Es schneit. Das bedeutet Schnee. Okay, wir haben Schnee. Okay? Schnee. Okay, wir haben Schnee hier. Schnee auf Englisch, das bedeutet Snow. Okay? Snow. Und ich hoffe, alles klar. Okay, bei Ihnen. Ich hoffe, alles klar bei Ihnen. Haben Sie Fragen, bitte sagen. Ich antworten. Okay, gehen wir weiter. Also, letzte Fragen. Was haben wir unter letzte Fragen? Es ist bewölkt. Also was haben wir hier? Tut mir leid, ich habe nicht geantwortet hier. Also G, ja, das war G hier und G, genau. Und die letzte Antwort haben wir I. Bewölkt. Wolken. Okay. Bewölkt, clouded. Okay. Oder cloudy. Das bedeutet hier, wir warten, wo die regnet. Oder wir können sagen, ich denke, die regnet, fängt immer an. Okay. Dann haben wir Schwarzwolken. Wetterberichte. Das bedeutet also Wetter auf Englisch Weather Forecast oder ja, Weather Forecast. Weather Forecast. Okay, wie ist das Wetter heute? Hier ist die Hint, auf Englisch Hint. Wenn hast du Fragen für die anderen Personen? Zum Beispiel, möchtest du wissen, wie ist das Wetter heute in die andere, zum Beispiel Stadt oder Land? Stadt auf Englisch, das ist City. Land auf Englisch, das ist Country. Okay? Wissen, können. Wissen, to know. Können, auch to know. Wenn man müssen, when one wants to know about the weather today in the andere Land oder Stadt, in the other country or city, wir fragen mit dieser Frage hier, wie ist das Wetter heute? Sehr richtig fragen. Und in die Prüfung diese Frage kommt. So, when you have exams, this question comes. Wie ist das Wetter? Was denkst du, was meinst du, wie ist das Wetter? Das Wetter, zum Beispiel A, wir haben regnet. B, die Sonne scheint. C, regnet auch. Die Sonne scheint. Okay? Alles hier. So. Los geht's. Ich hoffe, alles klar. Und haben Sie Fragen für mich? Alles klar? Or do you have questions for me? Any questions? Anyone? A quick response. Alles klar. So I can continue. Alles klar? Someone?
Come up again.
Is everything clear? I'm trying to
It's clear. It's clear.
Yeah. I hope so. I'm trying to make sure I speak a little bit of German than English. We are going to do an English class and not a German class. Okay, so I'm trying to just few minutes English, few minutes German. Okay, so if you have questions, you ask. Okay, so gehen wir weiter dann, alles klar, hoffe ich. So, weitermachen. Okay, Deutschland. Deutschland zum Beispiel, also Übersetzung auf Englisch, Germany. Im Norden und in der Mitte Deutschlands scheint schon heute überall die Sonne. Die Temperaturen steigen auf bis zu 20 Grad an. Der Küste und zu 23 Grad im Landesinneren. Im Süden ist windig und nicht ganz so warm. Maximal 18 Grad. Morgen überall Temperaturen um die 25 Grad. Schweiz überall Gewitter. Nur im Osten leicht bewölkt. Temperaturen bis, weiß ich nicht. Okay. Und there we have it. Our weather forecast oder www.europawetter.heute.de Germany. Heute Montag, bis Montag. So wir haben Montag, Donnerstag, Freitag, Sonntag, Samstag, Sonntag, Montag. Okay. Deutschland im Norden. So in the northern. Okay. Zum Beispiel, this one I'm going to say in English. I know people ask me too much questions. So Mitte, middle. So northern, in the north and in the middle of Germany. Shone for it. It shines, already shining today. Okay, shone already. I already said there's no umlauts here. It's already shining. Okay, heute. And then we have the word Ubero. Okay, Ubero. Sorry, I'm almost going to sneeze. So Ubero simply means overall, all, or over, in short. Okay, this zone. Okay, so the sun is all over. Okay, or everywhere. Okay, the temperature, Temperaturen, the temperature. Okay, we have here again steigen auf bis zu. Now remember, steigen simply means to, like, when a staging, yeah, from stage 1, 2, 3, 4, so meaning you're climbing, yeah. So steigen, or rising, or changing, the way you can put it. We just go with rising, yeah. It's rising auf. So auf, if you remember the word auf, most of you, when we're talking about auf, we simply mean it's either on something, okay, or to something, in something, or at something, or upon something. We can use auf. So it's rising from on this kind of grad, okay, which is 20. So from a certain grad, let's say on 0 to 20 grads, let's say we have 0 here, yeah. So on 0 bis zu, from 0 to or to 20 grads or crates. An, okay, since it's going up, der größte und bis zu. Now let's talk about größte. What does größte mean? Größte simply means coast. Okay, so on the coast we have 20 grads. Im Landesinneren. Okay, that's somewhere, whatever city that is. Okay, and in Sudan, southern, in Sudan, always remember, if we're having we have such wordplay in Germany where we see such things like im, as you can see here, which are here, im. Okay, im. So basically, we have im meaning in a certain place. Okay, again, you can still use as in. Okay, it's not a problem. You can still use it as in a place. So im, if you see anything that looks like im, just know we are talking about in a place, and that's easy to remember. So I hope that's clear. So again, here, Landes, land or country, Inneren, Landesinneren, like we're going to say inland. Okay, in. Okay, we're going to talk about something inland or midland, whatever you can call it, because something that is inside. So midland, inland, whatever you can call it. Okay. And then we have Sweden, south. East is windig. It is windy. Und nicht ganz so warm. Not ganz, not almost or not always warm. Not always so warm. Maximum 18 grad, 18 grades or grads. Morgen, to morning or tomorrow, overtime temperature, okay, in 20 grads, okay. Schweiz, again, we have Sweden, Schweiz, yeah, Sweden. With us, Sweden, Schweiz, Sweden. Na, Switzerland, ja, genau. Schweden, Switzerland. Overall, weather shining oder sonniges shining. Nur in Osten leicht bewölkt. Bewölkt, like I said. What does bewölkt mean? Bewölkt simply means cloudy. Okay? Of course, we have the word Osten. Osten simply means eastern, okay, or east in short, east. So easy, leicht is easy, okay, or light, cloudy, or light clouds, or easy clouds, or I don't know how you can put it. So easy clouds, slightly cloudy, I don't know how I can put it. So easy clouds, light cloudy, or slightly cloudy. Temperaturen bis, we don't know. We have not seen yet. Okay, so zum Beispiel, wir haben heute regnet. Today it's raining. +1 bis +7 Grad. We have Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag und Sonntag. Bewölkt, cloudy. Bewölkt, wieder cloudy. Schnee, snowy. Sonniges, shining. Okay, the sun. We have the sun. Okay. So I hope that is clear on our side. Next. Ich mache es schnell. Weather. Österreich, Austria, Switzerland. Im Norden und Westen viele Wolken. Es regnet bei milden Temperaturen 8 Grad. Im Ruhrgebiet und auf der Nordsee, Inseln bis 12 Grad. Im Süden und Osten scheint die Sonne. Die Temperaturen steigen auf 16 Grad. Auf morgen bleibt es warm. Okay? Again, what do we have here? Northern. In North and Southern, viele Wolken. Like I said, Wolken, clouds. And es regnet bei milden So milden, like mild, okay? Always remember some words sound a little bit like English. So milden, mild temperature, okay, of 8 degrees Celsius. Im Ruhrgebiet. So Ruhrgebiet und auch so basically Ruhrgebiet is like another part of Austria or something, okay? So also them we have, so Ruhrgebiet is a part of or area in between Austria or Sweden, I don't know, okay? Und auf den Nordsee, Northern Sea, Inseln bis 12 Grad, okay? So again, we have the Northern Sea, then we have the word Inseln. Inseln, we have islands, okay? So Northern Sea Islands bis to 12 grads. So they'll have about 12 grads on the Northern Sea Islands. In Süden und Osten, so southern and eastern, or south and east shines the sun. The sun shines in south and east. The temperature, okay, where's my cursor? So, die Temperaturen zeigen auf 16 Grad, auch morgen bleibt es warm. So, what did I say steigen again means? So, steigen on top here. Where is it? Here. Rise, to rise or to climb. So, steigen auf 16 Grad. Auf, again, upon, on, till 16 Grad und so weiter. Auch means also. Tomorrow bleibt stays. It stays warm tomorrow, okay? It stays warm tomorrow too. Zum Beispiel hier 8 Grad plus 8 Grad, das auch, this is Buchstabe, if I using the Buchstabe oder Nummer, okay? Nummer oder Buchstabe. Minus 3 Grad minus, of course, 3 grades. 3 Grad unter 0. So these are like 3 grades under 0. Okay. Und here we have our compass auf Deutsch. Okay. Compass auf Deutsch im Norden, im Osten, im Westen, im Süden. Okay, so this you have to know. Norden, Westen, Osten, Süden. Okay. Simple task also, and this practice your reading and also translate a few words like Insel, island, North Sea, sea, the sea you're talking about, so Northern Sea, Insel, Northern Land, or because Insel, feeling, it's a lot, one island, Insel, island, plural. Okay, before I call it a night, since today is a Friday, let's try to have at least as many questions after this as possible, so that next time you have classes, you have known one or two things. Was ist richtig? Lesen Sie noch einmal und kreuzen Sie an. Im Süden regnet es heute. What was our question here? Zum Beispiel, Süden, heute regnet ist das? Richtig oder was? Okay, so we go to the first one. We say Süden ist windig und ganz warm. So on our Süden here, it's warm as usual. As our Süden here auch scheint die Sonne. So our answer here ist morgen, es ist ganz Deutschland warm, genau. Heute sind es maximal 7 Grad. Sind so maximal. Again, you read. So basically, it's supposed to be for you guys to, since you don't have the book yet. I hope Mr. Kumana sends it. It's supposed to be your work, which is 9 maximal 7 Grad. Nope. We have this is mild Temperaturen, so no, the maximum is not 7 Grad. We'll leave it like that, which is not correct. Freitag scheint es, which is Friday, ja. Im Süden regnet es nicht. Ja, this is correct. Morgen ist es kalt und es scheint. So this one is correct basically. So again, you can do this exercise by yourselves. Welche Radiowerte passt zu deinem Text in A? Okay. Nah, Corinne, we have no audio. Tut mir leid. Wir können nicht das machen. Wie ist das Wetter in Ihrem Land? How is... So, again, perfect question that you need to write down as questions you'll be asked, for instance, in an exam. There you have it. Another note, another hint. Okay? Right here. Wie ist das Wetter in Ihrem Land? How is the weather in your land? Sprechen Sie und machen Sie ein Plakat. Plakat is like this thing here, and then you tell us about it. Okay, how many grads you have, let's say, in your country, let's say in your city, in other cities, and then you make grad, you observe the weather, and then you can talk about it with your friends and so weiter. Also, ist das Wetter in Bulgarien? Zum Beispiel, I had asked something similar last time. I asked, wie ist das Wetter in Kenya? I remember during our first contact lessons. Und wie ist das Wetter? Normal question. Okay, this is a normal question, and answers, das Wetter, always remember, I should always start with das Wetter. Das Wetter ist, you bring this at the end, gut oder schön oder schlecht oder nicht so gut oder schön. That's up to you. Im Sommer ist das Wetter sehr gut. Es ist heiß oder es ist heiß und es sind circa 30 Grad. Okay? Im Winter ist es kalt, dann sind es 0 bis 5 Grad. Okay? So, we're talking about in summer, of course, we know how is the weather in summer. The weather in summer, of course, is warm. Okay? Es ist heiß. Heiß, hot. Okay? And we have the words, what do we have here? Seca. So seca, seca simply means, where is my, put here, I'll put it in. Seca. 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 What did I say seca was last time? So seca can also be zum Beispiel approximately 9. So seca, we can use it for approximately. Okay. especially if we're using German, if we're using the German weather, usually use circa, which is approximately, but sometimes not usually means approximately, or it can be about. Okay, so let me put this also just to confuse people. So there we go, it can be about too. And then we have heiß. Last time I explained what heiß means: hot, cold, cold. Okay, so most of the things I will not retranslate. So okay, ich hoffe alles klar. There we go. Defueling, der Sommer, der Herbst, der Winter. So you know what fueling is? Summer, of course, when the vegetation or the grass is green, and we have their winter. Okay, winter, of course, when here it's snowing, in our countries when it's cold. Okay, and we have fueling, of course, spring. Okay, of course, you can see when the plants are now rejoicing, getting back to their actual life, you know, regrowing their leaves, and the vegetation becomes green again. And then we have summer. Okay, summer, of course, is when we have green everywhere. Then now we have what we call Herbst. Herbst, autumn, when the plants complain, they start losing their leaves. So Herbst is when we have what you call autumn. Okay, autumn is Herbst. Herbst, der Winter, der Frühling, der Sommer. So alle hat der, that's the article there. Everything with weather there. Okay, everything with days and so weiter. And also months we have there. Okay, and no, for months we have the January. We have different. Okay, we have different on when it comes to 6 months. Next, Bulgarian and so weiter. Okay, this is just a placard. Okay, a table of your findings. Was ist Ihre Lieblingswetter? What is Lieblings? Lieblings, favorite. Whenever you hear the word Lieblings, simply means favorite. So, what is your favorite weather? Was macht Sie dann? Do you do? What do you like doing? Okay, ich mag from again. Morgen. From mögen to like. Kam ich mag Wind, dann gehe ich spazieren. Das ist schön. So I like wind, then I go for walks. That is beautiful. So some people like the wind when they go out for walk. It's windy, and for them it's beautiful. Okay, and then we have, of course, similar questions as you can ask. Okay, so next time we're going to start on Hast du denn Käse? Okay, that's our next topic. Hast du denn Käse is the next topic. That's B. And questions and so weiter. Hast du denn Käse? Do you have cheese? Okay, so any questions before I call it a night? I know you guys have questions. Please fire away. I'm going to end here. Please, questions, or I I should ask you myself questions since everybody's quiet. For me, it's not a problem. Okay, randomly, I'll pick Brenda Moria.
Yes.
Since you say everything is clear, I'll ask a few questions if everything is clear. Wie ist das Wetter heute?
Das Wetter ist bewölkt.
Bewölkt. Ah, cool.
Ja.
Danke, alles klar dann. Judith Oching. Bist du da? I ask some questions. If alles klar. Judith, are you there? Lucy Rukuru, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Judith's internet is she has a poor internet. Judith Acheng or Acheng.
Okay, but I can hear her loud and clear. So, what does Fühlung mean?
What
does Fühlung mean?
Spring. Spring.
Spring. Thank you. Let's see if I have any. Frederick.
Yeah, here, bitte.
Okay, cool. Also,